Hey, what's up everybody? Clayton here with Go Analytics, and today I want to show you why your links in Power BI don't work. So this video is for those that have a URL link and you can't click on it. So you might have it in your data model, but when the user clicks, nothing happens. So what do? Well, let's check it out. Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're finding us for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Alright, so today we're talking about links in Power BI. So you can have data models with URL links, and let's say you want to use that in a visual. Let's say you have a table that's showing a bunch of data, and then you've got this URL that takes the user somewhere else, to another web page or to a folder in SharePoint, anything with a URL. But you're running into the issue of you've got your field in there in that table, but it's not clickable. So it's just a string of text showing that URL and you can't click on it. So how do you deal with that? Well, let's head on over to my laptop and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so here we are in Power BI Desktop, and I've pulled in some data here from a content calendar of ours, and I've got this table here. So I've got a lot of information about our content, the title, published date, the content type, status, author. But I also have here in my data model this published link. So let me bring that published link onto this table, and ideally what I want to do is when a user in our organization is looking at this, let's say they're looking at this content right here, they can click on that link and go directly to where that has been published, whether that's a YouTube video or a blog. So I'm bringing in here our published link right to this table. And as you can see here, I get that URL link, but it's not clickable. So, as you can see here, I can try to click on it, nothing happens. It doesn't look any different than our strings values here for the author name and the status. So how can we deal with that? And the first thing to take a look at is, let's go back to our data model. So I'm going to open up Power Query Editor, and we can take a look at this query. So here's our data. We have all of our columns in here, and we can take a look at our published link. So here's our published link column. And as you can see, everything looks good. It looks like a URL. And one thing that you need to make sure is that your published link is set to a text data type. So if your little icon here is not showing the ABC, if it's showing an undefined data type, then this might not work. So first things first, you need to make sure that this is a text data type. So I've come in here, I've taken a look at my published link, and as well as my content file path, which is also another URL that I want to use. And they're both text. So everything there is good. So what's going on? Well, let's close out Power Query Editor and let's take a look at how to fix this. And the fix is really simple. So here we are in our Power BI Desktop again. So the issue that's happening here is that although Power BI recognizes that this is a text data type, it's not picking up that it's a URL data category. So if we click here on our published link, that opens up our column tools up here. And let's take a look at a couple of things here. So we can take a look at our column name. The data type, as we can see here, it's set as text. The format is text, no summarization, and right here, data category. let's take a look at what's in this. So right now it's set to uncategorized. And if I expand, I can now be more clear to tell Power BI what this is. And right down here, we have a couple of URL options, image URL or web URL. So image URL would be to display an image here inside of this table. And web URL would be to provide a link to go to that URL. So let's change this to web URL. And now look at this. Now our URLs here look different. They are blue and they have an underline, so it looks like a link now. So I could click on one of these links here. So let me choose this one, and it will open up my browser and go directly to that YouTube video. And that's it. That's all you need to do to get your URL links to go to that desired URL path. So that's it. That's how you fix those broken URL links that are not leading anywhere. So just remember, check your data category, change that from uncategorized to web URL, and all of a sudden your users will be able to click that link and go to the desired web page. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest videos on Power BI and data analytics. We'll see you in the next video.